Use my 7 litre tank. It's been running for a few weeks. It's due for some more water to go in, as you can see. There's emergency overflow, there's the outlet just here, and the inlet to the feed tank's just at the back. You can follow the lines up. You can see there's an external filter system there to capture solids. Here's the 25 litre tank, and here's the bell siphon, and that's part of the overflow system there, and it's just started to siphon back now. And there it goes, going back in. It's been running, as I say, for a couple of weeks, and it's due for some top-up water and for the plants to go in. So that's it. Everything's neatly tucked away, hidden in this set of drawers here. We've got all the electricals and the air pump down in this bottom drawer. And if I could pull that one all the way out, you'll see the piping hidden back inside there for the drainage from this, because it goes as a centre drain off the bell siphon, goes down and then out through the back of this unit. So trying to keep everything as tidy as I can. That's it. And this is the prototype before I could build the big unit out the back with the IBCs. A very compact system, I should think.